Hello everyone, what is bothering you with your iPhone device? Is your iPhone working? Does it work well? If it's having problems and needs to be changed or reset, it might be time to start over. First, back up your data. Before resetting, back up your iPhone using iCloud or a computer, or maybe a USB with super fast transfer speeds. Let's continue with the instructions on how to go to Settings. Next, in General Settings, Step 3, switch or reset device, and tap Erase all content and settings. Step 4. Confirm and delete. Enter your Apple ID passcode or password when prompted. Confirm that you want to erase your device. Step 5. Wait for reset. Your iPhone will begin erasing. It may take a few minutes. Here it may take a while because your device already contains too many unnecessary junk files. So everyone, please be patient and wait for it to complete this process a bit. You can do something, eat an apple, play with your pet and then come back to check the device. So, transferring, resetting your device or deleting all content will help you secure and make your device more stable and smooth. We will accompany you with technology tips. Thanks for watching and see you soon.